Maya is a working mom, juggling a busy schedule. Her son, Aryan, has recently been diagnosed with myopia and needs his daily medications and eye drops.
Mom, you forgot my eye drops again.
Oh, right. Just remind me after the call, okay, sweetie?
And then she forgot. Little did she know that her forgetfulness will result in her child's compromised vision.
Everything all right, Aryan?
Aryan trying his best by squinting as hard as he can at the blackboard, trying to read what's written.
I forgot my drops again.
This simple mistake could cost Aryan his vision, something that could have been so easily avoided.
I wish I had remembered.
Introducing the first myopia medicine management app, MYATRO. MYATRO has several features. Let's look at them one by one. First, we can set up a scheduler with the help of just a few clicks. Just enter your child's name of the doctor, medicine prescribed, date of prescription, dosage recommended by doctor, frequency of dosage, where you can adjust the timings according to your schedule, so you no longer have to worry about being unavailable at a particular hour. Duration of treatment, and finally, a specific ringtone for this reminder. Once the reminder is set, the app will notify you when it's time to use the eye drop. Next up, you can add your next scheduled doctor's appointment simply by just filling out name of the doctor, the city, date of the appointment, and finally, time of the appointment. Once the appointment is set, the app will send you a reminder before the scheduled time. Next, you can keep a track on when to discard the MYATRO eye drops, simply by adding the date of purchase, the date you open the bottle, and according to that, it'll give you a reminder on when to discard the bottle. Another feature of this app is the dose reminder logs. You can see a summary of all the eye drops you've taken or missed, and even share it with your doctor for better follow-up. But sometimes reminders aren't everything. You can learn more about myopia by clicking information button, or you can visit our website to understand and help more. Download MYATRO, available both on Android and iOS, or scan the QR to get started.